Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Ingrao, audiologist and hearing aids expert for SeniorLiving.Org. Today, we're going to unbox the Eargo Neo HiFi hearing aid. Check the links below to see our full review on this hearing aid product. Here we've got the unboxing of the Eargo hearing aids. They come in a little box about 4.5 inches square. Nice little box. Your world is waiting. Quick start guide as well as a cleaning cloth. Now this little box here, or this little container here, is both your storage container and your charging port. So we're going to get to that in just a second. Underneath there's a USB cable, standard USB to USB-C, a wall adapter for the USB cable, 2 packages of assorted flexi tips for making sure that the hearing aids fit your ears properly, some wax guards. These are important for keeping the sound quality coming out of the hearing aids nice and clear, and a little brush. I really like it when a company kind of minimizes their packaging. If we look at this, what looks kind of like a hockey puck, opening this up, we see the hearing aids inside, and they snap back in here for charging. That little connector on the bottom, that's your USB-C, and that connects in just like that. I find that the Eargo did a really nice job on the packaging. If you want to find out more about the hearing aids themselves, check out our review on the website. And thanks very much. That's the unboxing of the Eargo Neo HiFi hearing aid.